Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to tile a texture in Blender. In this tutorial, I will make it simple. I will add the plan. So we can go to Add, Merge, and Plan. Close up to view it. Next, we can select the plan and go to Material Properties to add the new material. Alternative, we can use Shader Editor. I suggest to use Shader Editor. So I split viewport into two. One is for preview the material. Another one, I will switch it to Shader Editor. Next, we can select the plan and go to top of the Shader Editor. We can find New button and add the new material. So a principal BSDF shader look is added. And then we can go to use Shift A and search image texture. I put it here, collect color of image texture to base color. And then we can click open to link our image. This is Blender icon. I will use open to add this logo as a texture. I should close this panel. Next, we can go to make tile texture. We can go to use Shift A again and then add the mapping. And then Shift A again, and then we can add texture coordinate. I select it and put it here. I will use generated, collect to feather, collect to feather. So we can see that this is one texture only. If we want to make tile texture, we can scale it. I will use 3 or we can use 4. So if you don't see it, make sure that we select repeat. If you select extend, we got one texture only. If we select repeat, we can make tile texture. So this is how we can tile a texture in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.